It's for you, Mom. You have accomplished again another trials of your life. Thank you, Nanay, for everything. And may our Lord God up above guide you and protect you always. Sorry, God. Lastly, with the help of our God, all of this wouldn't be possible without Him. Wait lang, turo si Pongpong. Lastly, with the help of God, all of this wouldn't be possible without Him besides us. He always looks on us. We can't see Him, but He let us to feel Him. Do not just dream, but be a believer. And that God will always there for us. Just don't forget, don't ever give up. No matter how hard it seems. Once again, thank you all, guys. With all my heart, thank you.
Thank you, Ate Nancy. Bakit hindi natuloy-tuloy ang mga iyak nyo? Bakit lahat tayo nangugutan? English kasi. Sino ba nagsabi gawa kayo ng English na speech? First of all, we would like to thank our sponsors, Hair and Makeup by Lorraine Technical School. Sa akin, Maria Debor, Michael Antonio for my shoes. Tapos, ano pa nga ng bukit ko? Scarlett. Ano pa? Michael Antonio. Yes, Oro Stockings for my stockings. Kinto. Sa wax na ginamit ko by Bench. Ano pa? Yes, Victory Mall for my pilik mata. Grand Central. Ay, yung ikaw, yes, from USA. Sponsored by Doctora. Ganda, diba? Tunay yan. Huwag na nakawin na. Ano, ikaw, te? UK, Divisoria. Something?
To entertain us with our song number, batches 51, 52, and 50. For song number, there's room mates.
Natatakot na sa bahay. Baka po kasi ma-discover kami. Kaya ako pa naman yung ginigit namin. Okay. Ganito kasi sa
nakita, ngayon ay dumating, nabigla sa aking buhay, inaubusan ng pag-asa.
is almost over, but we cannot close the curtains without some words of wisdom to guide us. May I present to you our Healthcare Training Directress, Dr. Aida G. Velasco, to give us her closing remarks.
Sabi ni Sir Romel pwede i-hold yung mga certificates nyo